Hey guys, I've been asked this question a lot. How to go into YouTube right here on your Mac? Because if you go into the App Store on your Mac and you search for YouTube, for example, you might notice there is no app for YouTube. Does that mean you can't access YouTube? No, you would access YouTube on your Mac just like you would do on any computer for that matter, as long as it's a full-on computer and you're not talking about a tablet. So, or a Chromebook, for example, which is technically a tablet with a keyboard. You just have to go into Safari. You can go to Safari or Google Chrome if you have it downloaded. Same thing. Let's assume you didn't download that. Go ahead and open up Safari. Once you open up Safari, go into Google and then, let me just open this the whole way. Just type in YouTube. Once you search for YouTube, your first option should be correct. So go into YouTube Home. So that's youtube.com. And once that opens up, you can go ahead and just search on YouTube. Watch any videos that you like. Search for any channel. Right here, I already searched for my own channel, Tech and Design. And just go ahead and watch anything that you would like on YouTube. That's how you can access YouTube right here on your Mac, no matter which Mac you guys have. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.